Hello, in this video we will find how to set different units and scale in VoiceImage. From the menu bar, you should go to Tool, click on Coordinate System, and then you can click on Coordinate System. Or from the keyboard, you can press Alt and U together to open Coordinate System dialog box. Just click on Unit, and in the World Coordinate System you can choose the unit, right? In this case we will set unit to millimeter, and you can press apply, OK. And to set unit in the user, you should go to Coordinate System tab, click on Custom Coordinate System and go back to unit and set the unit for the user. Click on millimeter, in this case apply, and say OK. Now the drawing unit is in millimeter, right? So the drawing unit is in millimeter now. To set scale, you need to go to the same dialog box, and from the scale drop down you can click the drop down and to set the desired scale for the drawing. Now if you want to set custom scale, so you can set it something like 2, right? So on page will be 1 millimeter, but actually that is 2 millimeter. So this is the ratio you can maintain, and the scale will be custom, right? So now I am going to set this 1, so or maybe I can choose 1:1 for now and press OK, right? So now we have a drawing, and if we go and measure the dimension in this drawing, I just force the color and try to draw some lines. So and I will press F8 to ortho on. So this is my line, vertical line, and I'm going to make a offset of 222 millimeter. So now this line is here. So basically it's not matching the dimension, right? So now we need to scale the image to match the dimension, right? So in this case we have to use the custom scale. So how do we can use the same dialog box to match the scale of this image, right? So we need to use the custom scale to match the dimension, the representing dimension to the drawing dimension, right? So now we should go back to the coordinate system dialog box, and now we know on page this is 222 millimeter, but actually the actual dimension is 222 millimeter, but on page it is something else. So we can use the vector snap. So this is my first point, and this is my another point. So now on page the dimension is 290.41 millimeter, but this is actually 222 millimeters. So this is the ratio now, custom ratio. If we press apply and say OK, so now the drawing scale will be matching to the dimensional scale. Now if we select the line and say offset again and say 222 millimeters, so now the offset is fine. Same way we can say offset of 90 millimeter, right? So now all the scale are matching. So this is how you can set the custom scale for an image if the scale ratio is not mentioned in the title stamp. If the in this title stamp, if the scale ratio were mentioned, then it would have been much easier for you to set the scale. You should go to coordinate system and you can choose the drop down, from the drop down the scale ratio, right? So this is it. See you in the next lecture.